Tip application with KUPA EnrichRx. Begin by using the NAILPRO Pusher Plus to gently push back the cuticle. For the next step, use a fine sanding band along with a KP60 handpiece at 4,000 to 7,000 RPM. Move the bit alongside the cuticle area to further push back dead tissue. Use the bit to lightly bevel the surface to take the shine off. Repeat as necessary. Remove the dust from the nail. Use a KUPA Divinity Shaper file to shape the free edge. For tip extensions, we recommend forming the nail in a rounder shape so that the tip fits better. Remove any excess dust. Size the tip by lining it up with the natural nail sidewall to sidewall. Use KUPA Divinity Nail Glue to brush on the free edge. Apply the tip and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Cut the tip to the desired length. Cut the shape that you want, if necessary. Use KUPA Divinity Shaper file to create the shape that you want. Start with the lateral side and file to the extension edge. Using a medium sanding band, blend the contact area of the tip to make the extension seamless. Also use the sanding band to prep the extension area for better gel adhesion. Remove dust from the nail. Apply KUPA piece to the natural nail area only to dehydrate the nail and gently lift out moisture, oil, and contaminants. Apply KUPA Love acid-free primer to the natural nail area only to ensure maximum adhesion. Apply a thin coat of KUPA Gelfinity Gel Base by burnishing the gel on the entire nail, then smoothing it out. Cure for 30 seconds in the KUPA NAILPRO Glow Lamp. Use KUPA EnrichRx in soft pink to apply a very thin coat to the entire nail. Cure for 30 seconds in the KUPA NAILPRO Glow Lamp. Apply another thin coat of soft pink to add strength and give it a slip layer. Take a medium bead and place it on the spine of the nail. Use the tip of the brush to feather out the gel. Use a KUPA No. 2 arc brush and add a little bit of the soft pink gel to the brush. Use the brush to make sure there's enough coverage along the lateral sidewalls and to perfect the shape. Flip the nail for gravity to pull the gel back to the center. Flip back and place the nail in the NAILPRO Glow Lamp for a full cure of 60 seconds. Once the nail is fully cured and you're happy with the shape, you can cleanse the nail. Use KUPA Gelfinity Nail Cleansing Solution to cleanse the nail. Make sure you cleanse the top and the underside of the nail. Use a Divinity Shaper file to shape the nail, beginning with the lateral sidewalls, then move to the extension edge. Continue filing until you're satisfied with the shape. Use the 3-in-1 carbide bit in medium grit at a speed of at least 15,000 RPM to refine the cuticle and surface of the nail. Continue to work on the surface until you're content with the look of the nail. Use a fine or medium sanding band at a speed of 4,000 to 7,000 RPM to buff the nails. Clean up the entire surface of the nail with the band. Remove the dust from the nails. Cleanse the nails again. Apply KUPA Gelfinity No Wipe Gel Top Coat. Apply a thin, even coat to the nail. Cure in the NAILPRO Glow Lamp for 60 seconds. Finish with KUPA Harmony Cuticle Treatment. Add a drop to the cuticle area. Thank you for watching. To learn more about our products, visit KUPAinc.com and follow us on social media.